Welcome to our video review of the JULI Eyewear Ski Snow Snowboard Goggles. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish pair of goggles for your next skiing or snowboarding trip, then you might want to consider these goggles. In this review, we'll be discussing the key features of the JULI Eyewear Ski Snow Snowboarding Goggles, including their designs, lens quality, and overall performance on the slopes. So, grab a seat and let's dive in. Firstly, let's talk about the design of the JULI Eyewear Ski Snow Snowboard Goggles. These goggles come in a variety of colors and patterns to suit your personal style. The frame is made from a flexible TPU material that allows the goggles to fit comfortably around your face. The goggles also feature a triple-layer foam padding that helps to wick away moisture and keep your face dry. One of the standout design features of these goggles is the wide, spherical lens. The lens is designed to provide you with a wide field of view so you can see everything around you as you ski or snowboard down the mountain. Now, let's talk about the lens quality of the JULI Eyewear Ski Snow Snowboard Goggles. These goggles feature a dual-layer lens that is designed to provide you with clear vision in a range of lighting conditions. The lens also has an anti-fog coating that helps to prevent the goggles from fogging up during use. Another great feature of the lens is its ability to block out harmful UV rays. The lens has UV 400 protection rating, which means it can block out 99% of harmful UV rays. This is important as UV rays can cause eye damage, especially when you are at high altitudes. Finally, let's discuss the performance of the JULI Eyewear Ski Snow Snowboard Goggles on the slopes. These goggles are able to perform in a range of conditions, from bright sunshine to cloudy, overcast days. The goggles perform exceptionally well in all lighting conditions, providing clear vision and a wide field of view. The anti-fog coating on the lens also works well as you don't experience any fogging up during use. The goggles also stay securely in place during use thanks to their adjustable strap. The strap can be adjusted to fit any head size, and the goggles feel secure and comfortable when worn. Overall, the JULI Eyewear Ski Snow Snowboard Goggles is for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish pair of goggles for their next skiing or snowboarding trip. With their comfortable design, high-quality lens, and excellent performance on the slopes, these goggles are sure to impress. Thanks for watching our video review of the JULI Eyewear Ski Snow Snowboard Goggles. If you have any questions or comments about these goggles, please leave them in the comments below. Happy skiing and snowboarding!